Many homeowners view their roof as a simple outer shell, the structural equivalent of a coat of exterior paint. But during a heavy storm, those shingles are the only thing standing between the elements and the interior of the home. Homes in Kettering face a relentless environment. The local climate cycle moves from driving spring rains to high humidity summers, finishing with winter freeze-thaw cycles that can tear apart weak materials. Failure often begins with symptoms that are easy to dismiss. You might see dark patches where granules have washed away, shingle tabs curling at the corners, or a small brown spot appearing on a bedroom ceiling. The natural reaction is to patch these areas as they appear. However, continuing to repair an aging roof often costs more in the long run than replacing the system entirely, as small fixes rarely address the root cause of a leak. The shingles visible from the street are only the first layer of a much larger assembly. To understand how a roof actually protects a home, we have to look past the surface and examine the components hidden underneath. A professional replacement begins by stripping the roof down to the bare wooden decking. This tear-off is the only way to find and fix rotten sheathing or structural issues that would otherwise stay hidden under new shingles. This 3D diagram shows the foundation of a healthy roof: balanced ventilation. Air enters through soffits and exits through the ridge vent. When blocked, summer heat pools under the deck, and winter moisture causes mold and rot. Above the wood, we install the secondary defense layer. This includes a high-performance underlayment and a metal drip edge that guides water away from the fascia and into the gutters. During Ohio winters, ice can build up at the gutters and push melting water back up under the shingles. This ice barrier membrane creates a watertight seal along the eaves to stop that moisture from reaching the roof deck. These foundational layers are what determine the true lifespan of a roof. If the ventilation is poor or the barriers are missing, the shingles on top are guaranteed to fail early. Even a solid roof has weak points where the surface is interrupted. We use custom metal flashing around chimneys, skylights, and pipes to seal these intersections, which are the most frequent source of residential leaks. Then comes the visible armor. Architectural asphalt shingles are the most common choice in Kettering, providing a balance of dimensional aesthetics and reliable weather protection. For homes exposed to frequent storms, impact-resistant shingles are an option. They are engineered with reinforced mats to withstand hail strikes that would typically crack or bruise a standard shingle. Standing seam metal roofing serves as a premium alternative. Since the panels lock together with concealed fasteners, they are highly resistant to wind uplift and allow snow and rain to shed instantly. Regardless of the material, performance depends on installation. This requires precise nailing patterns and proper deck preparation to ensure every layer works together as a single unit. This armor is only effective when it is integrated into the ventilation and barrier layers we've already established. When every piece is installed correctly, the home is fully protected. This chart illustrates the financial range for a roof replacement in Kettering, from a basic $8,000 project to a $39,000 comprehensive system. That price gap represents the specific engineering your home needs, from new decking to updated ventilation. An unusually low estimate is often a sign that a contractor is stripping out these essential components. Removing the cost of new flashing or deck repairs collapses the estimate, but it leaves the home vulnerable to future leaks. A cheap installation also compromises your protection. While a material warranty covers defects in the shingles, it won't cover a failure caused by poor workmanship, which is the root cause of most roofing issues. Financing can help bridge the gap between a quick fix and a proper installation. It allows you to invest in a complete, high-performance system today, preventing the need for expensive structural repairs later. Waiting until you see water dripping from a ceiling means the system has already failed. By that point, moisture has likely already reached your insulation, drywall, and electrical systems. Your roof is the most important defense your home has. Schedule a comprehensive system inspection with MasterRoof Kettering today to ensure your home is ready for the next Ohio storm.